So we are back again with our main drive protection example in STL. You can see that 1 hour, we have 1 hour timer that is passing and it's updated in each 10 seconds. After this timer is elapsed totally, we will have the permission to run the drive again. So for now there is no possibility to run the machine because the block restart machine for 1 hour. This alarm is active. So the 1 hour timer is ticking here. After this timer is elapsed, and we have the number of cold starts and number of hot starts. The initial values for those counters will be reloaded. So if you want to know how this example is developed, you need to check our website for our STL course. If you want to see how these strategies are implemented in Siemens STL, we use TIA Portal for programming. And if you want to know more, please visit our website, and we have you will have access to the course and all final examples, how the HMI is created, how the programming parts, how we develop these programming sections. You will find all of them. So we need to wait until this time is getting 0. I just mute the voice. So we are getting so close to the end of this timer, and let's review everything here. We have the block restart. The block restart is still active. 1 minute and 50 seconds. We should wait until this timer is getting 0 and these values: 3 for the number of cold starts, 2 for the number of hot starts. When they are initialized, we have the chance to start the motor again, and it's possible for us to test the runtime meters, number of hours of runtime meter. Runtime meter is developed very easily. We avoid using very complex function in the SIEMENS controllers. We avoid all complexity. We use very simple concept, and those concepts could be simply copied to other machines very easily because they are very basic. So that's the final seconds. We still should have the block restart alarm here. So the block restart alarm will be vanished within 20 seconds, and these values will be reloaded. 10 and so the number of hot starts are reloaded, and in here the alarm regarding to the blocking the blocking the machine to start again is vanished, and it's possible for us to run the machine again. So let us start the machine, and you can see that when we receive the feedback, when the green feedback on the drive, then the decrement, we have the decrement of number of hot starts. And even during this runtime of the drive, we will during the runtime of the drive, we also, if this timer is passed, these two values will be reloaded again. That's a good sign. Normally a drive in this size will work for hours, for months, or for days actually, and these two values will be reloaded. So good example, very good and complex example to use timers, counters, binary structures, how to use the basic instructions to implement runtime meters. Very good structure. And I stop the video here. Join our STL course for more tips and tricks on how to implement real industrial application by STL programming. Thank you for watching.